In this video, I'm going to talk about how to enable Face ID for App Store. So whenever you are trying to download any kind of apps, for example, Flipkart, whenever you are trying to download this, if you're having this kind of trouble, go for the install over here. It might ask you the password every single time when you're trying to download something from your App Store. Then how we can completely fix this up if you're facing this trouble? So all we have to do is, first of all, go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here all the way down, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the Face ID and passcode. Now give your phone passcode, you have to type it. And once you type in, you can see under the use Face ID for, there is an option called iTunes and App Store. This is actually disabled, that is why it is asking so. So what you need to do is you have to turn on this. Then it might ask you for Apple ID password, so you have to type your Apple ID. I'll blur this part. Once you type it, what you need to do is you just need to go back, go to the App Store, and over here this is the Flipkart that I'm trying to download in the first. Now I have to go for tap on edit and give your Face ID properly. And once the Face ID is done, as you can see, the app will be downloaded over here. Right now you can see the Flipkart is successfully downloaded, and this is how we can do it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.